So that was nice. Nice work to do that. I like it. In the woods and for free. I forgot my camera. That's why we went back. Look at that.
People drive from all around Portugal to this spot.
Ah, yeah. So it's a nice. Only only for swimming.
You will see. It is just rocky mountains, goes into a creek and a few small waterfalls and some nice pools.
Waterfalls.
Like very small.
Warm water, of course. Warm water. Warm water.
No.
No.
Wet water. It's
wet.
very wet and very cold. Sun left.
Wow. Oh, there's a little house or a barn. What is this? Nice. Oh, I see people over there. That's nice.
There's another viewpoint you see on the other side.
Oh, there, over there.
Small chapel, also nice. But then you go down to the bike, take a left up. And if you see there is a village, also a very famous village with the most expensive restaurant in the area, Michelin.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But it's basically a vacation village. So in the winter there's no activity there, and then
I have a special restaurant already in my house. Ah yes. Nice. Look at the tree there over there and the rocks. Nice. Oh wow. That's nice. That's the system for the watermill. A little bypass. Jump, jump. You will jump? I don't know. I used to be...
it's a motor.
What? I used to be a swimmer. You go in what at once? What is hot?
Come on guys. It's warm.
Oh, you liar. You big liar. geen op water.
Ja, dit is weer niet goed.
I promised my neighbor, a nice guy, Kopal is his name, to pick up his motorbike in Pedro Gao, about 15 kilometers from here. So I will bring him and pick up his motorbike. Nice.
Okay. You tell me, yeah? You tell me what direction?
Pedro Grande.
Oh, there, up there. Good, nice,
Shortcut.
nice. I like it.
Oh yeah.
The windmill. It's for the water, a water pump. Okay. So.
This is sure. I need to.
And I need to fill up my tank, huh?
Yeah. You
to
want to do it on
tank.
the way back? We go to Intermarché.
Yeah, it's good. I follow you.
Okay.
I will follow you.
Push.
Yeah.
Great.
Great. I like it.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for that. Shame that truck was in front of us.
Yeah, nice, eh?
Otherwise, we could have opened up a little more.
Oh yeah, okay.
It's,
It's nice to film this. It's nice to film this. Oh wow.
back in the day, that would have been my bike of choice.
That's nice.
Yeah.
It's a Harley.
Yeah.
Nice bike.
Well, we'll see how she rides with the new transmission kit.
Yeah. New. Oh, that's much better.
Yeah.
And also new sprocket
Yeah.
for.
Front,
Yeah.
back, and chain.
Yeah.
So the whole kit.
And this bearing is broken, I think here.
This one.
Yeah, this one, I know them.
Honda.
Honda!
Yeah.
Ah, Honda, of course. I like it. Ah, for the chickens.
Yes.
So it's a little chilly.
2001.
Oh, 2001. Oh, that's young. It's not so real old.
No, it's really
Nice.
older than my son.
Yeah, of course. So, first I need to fuel up. It's a nice ride. After hard working with the concrete. It is very strange. I'm not tired. I did a little nap. Couple of minutes was enough. And I feel great. That one. Good. Okay. Obrigado.
Obrigado, Otávio. Tchau.
I like the sound of this one cylinder. Awesome. His speedometer does not work, and neither does the right indicator. He doesn't mind.
There's not much light on this motorbike. I'm very happy with my spots. Wow, what a light. So now we're in Figueres again. That looks familiar. Intermarché. I have been there in the afternoon for some shopping, and mostly every day. It's 1.5 kilometer from our fence. And that is the cheaper fuel. Yeah, that's right. That's not so much cheaper. Nice.
You get that little top up?
It's full.
Are you full?
Yeah. You were right. This one is broken.
The outside?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's broken. Yeah, good.
I noticed I still got a little bit of fear around the corners.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
When you say on a motorbike I can do it easily, then it becomes dangerous.
Then you what?
When you think you can do it,
Yeah.
you have control
Yeah.
in the curbs, then it becomes dangerous.
Yeah.
That's true. When you do 100 times the exactly same curve, 100 times the curve will be different. So
Nice.
you have to be alert.
Yeah, except this doesn't work,
Always.
so I have no idea how fast I'm going.
Oh,
What were we doing on the IC8?
what?
What speed were we doing on the IC8?
100.
Really?
Yeah, 90, 100.
Wow.
When you go
Downhill?
downhill,
Yeah.
110.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay, so you just picked up. That's-
only a short moment.
Yeah, yeah.
Too fast.
Okay. I didn't think she would do more than 90.
No, see, you do 100 easy on that way. When you go downhill, of course, that is not a problem at all.
Yeah. And uphill?
70, 80.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Better than I thought.
It's 125 cc, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, it's good. Good enough.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah.
Go and see my friend in the box.
And the smell is also good from that bike. I like that one cylinder smell. It is now 1 kilometer to our fence.
Going here, huh?
Yeah, I go here.
Go that way, okay.
You too?
I'll go round, but it's
Okay, see you. Okay,
thanks, man.
okay. Well done.
Bye.
You're welcome. So here we are. So a couple of weeks ago we were there for swimming, as you can see on this vlog. It's a very nice area, and I saw you can come there also by these stairs. So let's go for it. I forgot one. That was a very tricky one. In the morning there's been raining all the time, and now I saw a moment to go here, and I think I will come. I think I will come more here often because I like it. I forgot my microphone, of course. Look at that. Shit happens. What's that? Is that you? A boy? Nice. Hey boy, why are you here? And I see I can come here also with my motorbike. Didn't know that.
No swimmers at the moment because it is much too cold. But things can happen rapidly, and maybe there is still a guy who goes in the water.
Unfortunately, I lost my drone. It was such a nice footage. So I went in the water and walked to that side, and I had to swim also a little. Very cold. I'm not cold now. That's very strange, but I hoped he was returned by themselves, but he lost connection. It's an old drone, and the connection is yeah, very bad, but the footage was so nice, and that's why I went in the water hoping that I could find him back, but no. Gone. First I walked in with my trouser, so until here, and then I put it out, so that's wet. Here, yeah. So bye bye. My drone served me very well. Hey, my friend.
So I'm back now. Dry clothes on. Maybe I can go tomorrow back and see if there is a signal. Lost my drone. I don't think it will send because I think he is in the water. But yes, I can try. So it's a disappointment, of course, and yeah, shit happens, huh? But it was adventure as well. It was strange. The water was very cold, and I didn't feel the cold. Not at all, but I felt something, but not so. Yeah, not so. It was not so annoying. Okay, yeah. So this was a nice experience. Oh, I forgot the cover on a motorbike, and you can see it was very cold and still. The ice bridge is broken. Yeah, again, bridge. So I bought a new one, but that wasn't the good one because you could regulate them separately. Only the fridge you could do, and the higher temperature part you couldn't. Then I ordered another one. In the description was written that you could regulate them separately. So not. So, and now I ordered the third one, and I'm very sure this is the good one. So the other two fridges I will send back. Okay, I think I see him here, and but I have to go in the water again. I think, but I don't do that at the moment. So when he is still functioning, I can do that later. That's much more difficult. You can see how high the water is sometimes. What's that? I think he was laying there, but that's very difficult to come there. Hey! We'll do that together with Jonathan and the leather. Robin told
he can do that as well, but later he said it's the cold for him. But he is not resistant for that. He will become very fast blue, and he can't handle that. But he will go with us, and maybe he can film a little until he is cold enough that he can go back. And with a ladder and 2 men, it is possible. Yeah. I think you need 2 ladders.